An historic day on Wall Street as the market nosedive for a second day over what looks to be a global trade war. Wall Street had its worst week in 5 years. At closing, the Dow plunged more than 2,200 points. The S&P lost 322 and the Nasdaq dropped nearly 1,000 points. Dick Brennan has more now on the big concerns for consumers.
I think we should all be scared. We don't know what's next. It's going to affect a lot of people.
Plunging markets have some New Yorkers worried about their pocketbooks.
Job security, everything going up, talking about eggs. What's next? Every day it's something new.
Over the last 2 days, look at the losses on Wall Street. Stocks have now given up all their gains for the past 11 months. Administration officials insist there'll be a rebound as American manufacturing is restored.
Markets are crashing because markets are based on the stock value of companies who today are embedded in modes of production that are bad for the United States.
President Trump had no public appearances today, but headed out for a round of golf. He did post from Florida, "Only the weak will fail." And this evening posting, "Big business is not worried about the tariffs because they know they are here to stay." But China hit back at the U.S., saying it will impose reciprocal 34% tariffs.
What we are really entering right now is a cycle of retaliation and counter-retaliation. And we will see exactly when and how, which side feels the pain first.
Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell says consumers will be feeling the pain.
It is now becoming clear that tariff increases will be significantly larger than expected. And the same is likely to be true of the economic effects, which will include higher inflation and slower growth.
Some businesses in our area, including the Pepper Palace on 7th Avenue, believe they will withstand the tariffs.
I'm more confident that no matter what's been thrown at us, we're able to bounce back and we come back stronger.
But some people told us it's time to rethink the tariff policy.
Bad idea, especially the way the administration is doing it, with willy-nilly, without any real economic backup for it. You know, they're just throwing numbers out there and not even knowing why.
Who's going to want to invest in the U.S. when it's in a state like this?
So what's next for the economy? Well, that's the big question. Analysts at J.P. Morgan say there's now a 60% chance of a worldwide recession if the tariffs are not reversed. On Wall Street, Dick Brennan, CBS News, New York.